Okay guys, welcome back to my video how to promote your affiliate link. With this video I will show you 10 traffic source that you can promote your affiliate link. You can use this traffic to promote your CPA offers, your ClickBank affiliate link, your blog, your website, and you can get unlimited leads using your promoting your landing page. So with this video guys, I will show you all this traffic source that I am using, some of them daily, some of them weekly. It's up to my campaign, it's up to it's depend my product or my niche. You can get target traffic, you can get unlimited traffic, you can target your traffic English speaker, you can get unlimited target, let's say from USA, only from USA. You can get unlimited traffic, worldwide traffic. Of course, like I said, it's depend your product and depend your niche and your target. So let's start with 7 search. 7 search is one of the biggest traffic source that you can promote your affiliate link. With this source, with this traffic source, you can get target traffic. You can choose your country, of course, if you need traffic from, let's say, Canada, so you can get only from Canada. Of course, if you want traffic from USA for your CPA offers, so also you can use this traffic to get unlimited leads. Of course, you can get unlimited subscribers or signups to your landing page. You can build your list. Okay, traffic source next is Udemy. Udemy is fantastic traffic to get solo ad traffic. You can send your link and your email to unlimited subscribers, so you will get a very target traffic. Basically, all these members is make money, niche people who's searching for making money online. So you can use this website to send your solo ads, your email to very target and relevant members. Okay, next is traffic source, safe traffic rotator.com. This is one of the best traffic source that you can promote your affiliate link. You can promote your CPA offers. Basically, I am using this website a long time for now. You can build your list. You can get unlimited commission. You can get unlimited leads and sales. Unlimited sign UPS to your CPA offers, and this is a fantastic for ClickBank and JVZoo product. Okay, next traffic source solo ads X. Like you see, this is a solo ads. Okay, solo ads. This is a fantastic solo ads to send your email, your link to a very target members, and they get a very target visitors to your link. Okay, next. Next is buy sell ads. Buy sell ads. This is a media buy. You can put your banner here. If you want to use this website, you have to choose a very convert product. You need a fantastic product, and more important, you have to use a very convert and catchy banner. Okay, this website is fantastic to get traffic, but you have to use a fantastic banner and very convert banner and very convert product if you want to use this website. Of course, if you want to, if you need a banner, you can go Fiverr. Fiverr, you can get a banner. Sorry, you can get a banner, any banner you need from Fiverr. Not only Fiverr, you can go to SEO Clerk. It's like Fiverr. Let me show you. This is Fiverr. Okay, this is Fiverr. You can get any, so you can go here and type, let's say, banner, and you will get a lot of people whose services, whose you can make for you any banner you need. Okay, this is a fantastic website to get banners. There's a more website that you can use to get banners. It's called SEO Clerk. Moment, sorry for my internet. It's very slowly. Okay, so you will get this page. You can type here banner, and you will get a lot of services from this website. If you need a banner, so you can find unlimited freelancers here that you can get from them a good banner to use on buy sell ads. Okay, buy sell ads. Next, turbo website traffic. This is one of the best traffic online. You can use this traffic to get unlimited sales with ClickBank. You can get unlimited leads from CPA, and you can build your list. This is one of the best traffic that I am using over 2 years for now. Your earning, it's fantastic, and your earning will be fantastic if you get traffic all the time to your affiliate link. So this website will give you unlimited traffic to your affiliate link. You can use it to promote your GVZoo products. You can use it to promote your ClickBank, Perfly, and ClickSure. And this is fantastic for affiliate network. Okay, next, Facebook Business Manager. Okay, you can use this website. The problem with this website, you can't promote any product you want. Sometimes this website sometimes will not active any banner advertising. So you can test it if you want. You can join and promote your affiliate link or your banner or your anything you want. Okay, you can try it if you want, and let me know about your results. Okay, next, YouTube advertising. YouTube advertising is of course one of the best traffic source that you can get. This is a very target traffic, and you can get unlimited target traffic to your affiliate link. You have to be sure that your video is very convert and very catchy, so people will watch your video, and if your video is really convert, so they will click your link, your affiliate link, and buy or sign up to your affiliate link or your list. Okay, I think you get the point. You need a good video, catchy video, and convert video, and you can test. I think you get the point. You can test YouTube advertising, and let me know about your result. Okay, next, Advertiser. Advertiser is a fantastic traffic and very target traffic. Advertiser is one of the best target traffic, and the reason you can use your country, you can use English speaker, you can use target niche. This is a fantastic to promote your ClickBank or any affiliate link, and also it's fantastic to promote your CPA offers. If you need, let's say, signups from USA, so you can use this website to get unlimited signups from, let's say, USA. Okay, next, Ping ads. I think you already know about Ping ads. Ping ads, it's fantastic to promote your website. You can get unlimited traffic, very, very target traffic from Ping ads. This is a fantastic traffic for CPA offers. And you can get unlimited, very, very target traffic to your CPA offers. You can promote your max bounty offers and Perfly offers and any CPA affiliate network. Okay, so if you want to use it, please let me know about your result. Let me know what link or what niche you want to promote using this website. Please, I will be happy to know about your result. So please you can put your link below your comment, below this video. So I will contact you and see and know about your results. Traffic source number, the last traffic source. Moment. Okay, so follow my buzz. Okay, I will show you this website. This is a fantastic website to promote your banners. It's very, very, very cheap. Okay, very cheap traffic. Your banner will be here in the top and here in the bottom. And when you refresh, you will see different banners. You can see here in the top different banners. Let's refresh again, so you will see different banners. This is a fantastic website to promote your banner, and this is very, very cheap traffic. Okay, this is a very cheap traffic. If you want to use it, you can find the link below this video. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you will succeed online. Remember, if you don't get traffic to your affiliate link, you will never get a commission or sales with your affiliate link. So very important to get traffic. And that's it, guys. If you have any question, please type your comment below this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Thank you very much.